Wienerberger is a construction materials manufacturer.
Our core portfolio is made up of bricks, roof tiles, piping and solar panels. I'm Oliver Buxton. I'm a digital project manager at Wienerberger.
I'm Claire Maguire and I'm a digital project manager at Wienerberger.
With the makeup of our business, we noticed that the individual product managers and product teams struggle with collaboration, which has led to struggles with product development and innovation.
Cloud PLM has massively improved our innovation and how we bring new products to market and our quality management processes. It's the first time in Wienerberger that we've been able to digitise that, capturing real insights from the ground up. We've managed to increase our ideas to feasibility rates by over 10%. Our product information management accuracy has improved by 75% since introducing PLM. For change requests and change orders, it's really allowing us to get the information straight from the factory line through to end commercial assets with greater accuracy.
We've transitioned from a very siloed working environment where teams work within themselves and collaboration's quite few and far between. The introduction of the Cloud PLM system from Autodesk has allowed us to break those barriers and increase collaboration. We've noticed with the employment of the quality and change modules that we can locate the source of quality issues a lot quicker, and that change process is now much more streamlined. It's really reduced the time that we take to correct those changes and then communicate those changes out to not only our customers but the rest of our business as well.
Autodesk is a trusted partner because they're always on hand with technical expertise. I would recommend Autodesk Cloud PLM to anybody looking to improve collaboration, communication and transparency of information.